India's iron ore scenario in H1 CY23 ended on a positive note, riding the growth in crude steel production. Correspondingly, iron ore production, exports and also imports remain on a higher side. Hello everyone, welcome back. This vlog will continue to throw some light on how did Indian iron ore industry perform in H1 CY23. India's total iron ore production in H1 CY23 was recorded at 152 million ton, up by 17 million ton compared to 135 million ton in the same period last year. Production has increased uniformly since the withdrawal of export duties on steel, iron ore and pellets. On the other hand, positive export market sentiments propelled domestic production. Meanwhile, iron ore production ramp-up plans of key existing miners like NMDC, SAIL, Tata, OMC and Lloyds have boosted production. Also, 3 million ton rise in crude steel output in H1 has supported increased demand of iron ore. India's exports of iron ore and pellets in H1 CY23 was assessed at around 21 million ton, a sharp increase from 12 million ton of exports recorded in the year-ago period. Steel production in China has gathered pace amid expectations of a broad-based recovery in infrastructure, construction and manufacturing activities. Chinese steelmakers had ramped up steel production as they expected increased demand for their products in March when the construction season begins. Therefore, China's demand for iron ore remained strong. Meanwhile, with mainstream seaborne iron ore prices increasing steadily, demand for low-grade ore too rose as mills looked to cut cost. Most importantly, Indian merchant miners whose production volumes were impacted heavily due to the export tariffs in Q2 and Q3 of financial year 23 raised production in Q4 to fulfill their annual EC limits. Therefore, higher domestic raw material production ensured greater availability of volumes for exports. India's iron ore imports in H1 CY23 stood at 1.93 million ton, a significant rise of 71% year-on-year when compared to 1.13 million ton in H1 CY22. Iron ore import volumes witnessed a rise in the period under review as few iron ore fines and concentrate shipments were seen arriving at the Indian ports. Due to fall in global iron ore prices in November to December 2022, the landed cost of imports for port-based mills turned cost-effective. Now, let's talk about some of the key iron ore prices and their trends in H1 CY23. Steelman's weekly Odisha iron ore fines Fe 62% index stood at INR 5,500 per ton in H1 CY23, increasing year-on-year compared to INR 5,200 per ton ex mines in the corresponding period last year. Meanwhile, Steelman's bi-weekly domestic pellet index pellets fell to INR 9,570 per ton DAP Raipur in H1 CY23 compared to INR 11,200 per ton in the same period last year. How will Indian iron ore scenario unfold in the short to medium term? This and many more topics would be thrashed out at Steelman's 6th Indian Iron Ore and Pellet Summit to be held jointly with 3rd Indian Coal Outlook Conference and 5th Indian DRI and Steel Conference at the JW Marriott, Kolkata over 24 to 26 August. For more details, please visit www.steelmanevents.com.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.